It's a video. A video. A video. It's a video.
Good afternoon, everyone!
I'm John.
I'm Hailey.
And we're here to talk about the handheld penetrometer.
We're not. At all. We don't even know where it is.
I lost it.
Yeah. That's karma for talking about it so much. Karma is a bish.
It's a bish.
It's a bitch, but it's nice.
Ooh! Ooh! You're in trouble!
My
You're in trouble!
parents watch our videos.
Ooh! Ooh! You better yell at her! Ooh!
Okay, we are here to talk about...
I'm not letting this one go. You're in trouble.
That's
She's
fine.
blushing. What are we talking about today?
Yeah.
Coffee talk. Okay, yeah. So I asked Hailey to be on this video, and Hailey goes,
Why?
literally, with that snarky little. Why? Your generation. Anyway, well, it's just you have so much confidence. So much confidence. Anyways.
That's why I'm a great self-advocate.
Right. Will be. So what we're talking about today is high early strength concrete for pavements, and with and without colloidal silica. And Hailey asked, why? Why do I need to be a part of that? And let's really analyze. Let's set up the scenario, and I think right away you're going to see why. Because you don't know yet. High five.
I'm clueless.
Well, normally when we create a pavement, brand new, and this is true or false for you, we use a standard conventional setting time concrete. True. So, let me restate the question. Can you, or do we normally use a high early strength concrete to put a brand new pavement in place?
No way.
No way. False.
False.
And just to give you some collateral on that, normally when we put a brand new pavement in, let's just assume that it's a highway pavement, and this is me setting the stage, we're putting it with a slip-form pavement. And we don't normally have to use, unless it's winter, we don't have to use a concrete that's not a conventional setting time. You know, conventional to what we normally use for slip-form paver. Anyway, so we're replacing that section, and normally we have to open that section up 4 to 8 hours, maybe 12 hours after that concrete's been placed, definitely 24 hours. But there are some municipalities that require 4 hours of opening up to traffic after it's placed, and in doing so you're not using conventional setting time. But bear in mind that we often do those replacements when something bad has gone wrong, or something bad has happened to our highway. Do you see where I'm going with this? So the stuff that we want to put in, do we want it to be better or worse?
We want it to be better.
Okay, problem is, especially places like here in Colorado, if we're using a high early strength concrete, are you really setting that concrete up for success or for failure?
Failure.
Why? Wow.
Because you're using the same materials you used in the first place.
And you're also using non-chloride accelerators or even chloride-based accelerators to the set time. Well, crack in a porous microstructure, you know, volume change, thermal shock, you know, all that stuff that causes the concrete. Starts with a C, ends with a rack. It rhymes with track, but the word is?
Mac. Crack.
So, using colloidal silica, there's a few things that we can get out of it. One we already talked about, which is increase the
Strength.
cement efficiency.
Cement efficiency, yeah.
Yeah. And in doing so, we don't have to use as much cement to get that early strength. Oftentimes when we have to use or high early strength concrete, we're 700, 800, 900 pounds total cementitious. And while we want to use a supplementary cementitious, the more non-hydraulic material you use, the slower it sets. So by using colloidal silica, not only can you get away with less cement, which was showcased in our project that we did with Eagle County Airport back in 2011, published by Concrete International. Link below. Thanks. Isn't she the best? And then, you know, besides the cement efficiency, if you got a concrete that cracks, eventually
You're going to have to replace it.
Gonna have to replace it. And what do we do with that concrete that we rip and strip?
We make acres and acres of piles of old concrete.
Here's a picture. Ding! Thanks, Hailey. So, Hailey, why do you think it's important for us to use colloidal silica and high early strength concrete for pavements?
Not only does it improve the concrete, therefore making it stronger and last longer, therefore meaning you don't have to rip and replace it as soon.
As often.
As often, yeah. Therefore, it's better for the environment. Also, cement efficiency, better for the environment. Also, you can use less admixtures, less... I already said that.
No, save money.
And save money.
It's called value-added performance.
Yeah.
Right? Where not only it's a symbiotic relationship, if you will. Not only are we doing better for the environment, for the industry, but we're also getting money in our back pockets. Everybody's made happy.
Who doesn't like money?
Ow. Too aggressive. Thanks for joining us today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ding